Hello and welcome to yet another glorious spring day. This one is the best one so far. You find me in the middle of border maintenance, lawn border maintenance. I've been at it for a while now, and I've been using a technique that is really satisfying. Using a wooden board, to get the edges really straight and nice. So I will show you a montage of that, speed it up. Right now, I'm on the front. I've done the straight edges here. I will widen this border, but now I will do a turn here, a circular half circle around this area. So I won't be using the board, I will just go by feel. And then of course I will show you the entire backside as well. So, welcome. So earlier today I was at my local garden center, nursery, and I got back 2 designs for the back of the garden, not backside. I'm sorry, I used an inappropriate expression there. So I will go through those designs and plant lists later this week, make some minor adjustments so that I only get stuff that I really like. And then it's time to order. That's the first 2 beds, what I call the donut bed or the English island. A big one, my no-dig border on the back of the garden, and then the gravel garden. I've also gotten a design for. What is left is what was supposed to become a hosta garden, shade garden, but since I'm removing my garden shed, that location will be get much more light than it initially got. So I will make a bit of a redesign there. I will put in some deciduous shrubs there, and some evergreens as well, and some perennials, and then some hostas as well. That's all I have time for today. I have to bake some cookies and bread. Then I have a meeting at work. But as I said, I think you'll agree there's something very satisfying about edging lawn, edging beds. I'm not sure. I will probably move this corrugated steel, reuse it, even though I don't find it very attractive. I'm trying different edging techniques on different beds around the garden. Everything from expensive Corten steel, really heavy duty, to this crappy stuff, to my regular rocks, of course. And then I just found at the hardware store some pretty inexpensive, but I thought useful, about a little more than a meter long ready-made borders about 10 centimeters high with ready pins to just hammer down into the earth. So I'm thinking of using those in a couple of places as well. Yeah, I will show you more this weekend. See you.